Welcome back to the channel. Magna still mostly apart. It's only a couple days later. Once again, my things are mostly apart. Only got a few more things left to do until it's ready to go. We're gonna do a quick handlebar swap. Sorry, it was a little close there. We're gonna do a quick handlebar swap. I have another set of bars that should be a little more flat on the wrist. The buckhorns, these are the original bars to the bike. Bars to the bike. It kinks your wrist a little bit. Like, it's weird to, like, in like a vertical way. So I'm gonna swap it out. Just basically the bars should just come out a little flatter for me. That's what I'm hoping. I might have to do some more adjustments. We'll see. Maybe a different set of bars if these don't work. But I'm going to do that quickly. I have a new set of master cylinders as well. So we're going to swap those. Otherwise, they're going to be really wonky. Basically, the original master cylinders are like angled kind of weirdly because of the buckhorn bars. So we're going to swap those out, bleed everything, see how it's doing, and go from there. Check it out. Thanks for being here. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to it. All right. Just to kind of give you this is kind of weirdly precarious. Give you an idea just kind of what it looks like beforehand. Like, as you can see, like, kind of maybe hard to see, but right now they're pretty good, but like, you can have a tendency to kind of like lean forward a little bit and kind of get a little bound up. So what I'm going for, and the new bars should kind of do, is pull like up to here. So should be able to keep all the stock control length cables and everything. If anything, they're probably going to be too long now. So I don't think there's really anything else to worry about. Once again, I said I got new master cylinders, as you can kind of see now. Like, look at the like weird angle compared to the top. So like if these bars got to flat, now this angle would be like here. And then these mirrors would be all the way up. It would just be weird. I've seen some pictures of it, guys. Just get some new master cylinders. Anyway, eBay is a great thing. So say goodbye to the original bars, Magna. I know it's been a long time. You can do it. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, we're about halfway through. I just want to give you a little update. Make sure brake fluid. That's also brake fluid in your clutch. So it eats paint. Don't let it get on anything. If it does, just wipe it off as quickly as possible. Have a rag nearby. When you're cracking the banjo bolt, just have a towel. I took my tank off because I was doing other things, so the nicest paint, which is still 40 years old, but still original, is, you know, not really exposed. So I need to clean my frame and catch a couple spots here. But so just a little update. Just pulling everything off. Basically just have the last couple things to go. I'm just letting them hang right now. I'm gonna then take these 4 bolts out, swap in those new bars, and we'll both see what it looks like. Well, the new bars are in place. Kind of put them on an angle that at least feels about right. I'm gonna obviously have to put the controls and everything back on the master cylinders. I'll do that really quick here. I don't have any fresh brake fluid, so I'm not gonna fill it with some of the stuff I've had for the last like probably 2 years. So I'm gonna get some fresh stuff tomorrow, but I will be finishing up putting some stuff back on, taking a look tonight, but we'll get back together tomorrow evening. Welcome back. It's the next day. I'm kind of in a rush at the moment. So you saw in the first part, I just swapped the bars, swapped the master cylinders. I still have to bleed them and all that jazz. But they are on. I got a set of mirrors on. I got surprised today at work, basically saying, boss man wants to go for a ride for lunch tomorrow, and I'm one of the motorcyclists in house. That sounded like it was a job. Like I ride a motorcycle and I'm part of the company. There's not as many people right now in the company as you'd think that ride motorcycles. They want to. Anyway, it's like any company. Not everyone just is passionate about it in their outside life, but I'm one of the few people with a motorcycle and a license that works there currently. So, boss man wants to go for lunch tomorrow. This was sprung on a number of us, me, and maybe a couple other people, because they were also starting the bike up for the first time for the spring. Today around 2. So I'm in the garage. I kind of thrashed some stuff back together. So I got my hand controls on. These are just kind of what came with the master cylinders. I don't have time to deal with trying to get the other stuff to work at the moment. So this is what I have. I gotta still put some fluid in these. Throttle cables. Kind of had to reroute a lot of things. They're a little long maybe at the moment. So I still need to tighten some things, adjust some things. So we're not totally there yet. Headlights back on. I need to tighten down the speedo. It just is in there. Everything's kind of routed a little bit differently, so hopefully that doesn't bite me in the butt. I've gotten everything pretty much back on except for the tank. I mean, the seat's off, but that'll be off for a second. I'm just going to hit the battery quick with the trickle charger. I should probably do that. And then, yeah. So I just wanted to show you guys what I had going on again. I mean, this is pretty much like a handlebar swap in a nutshell. Honestly, I could probably use slightly shorter lines and stuff now, but I think for the moment it's going to work. I'm going to be able to ride it, check out, see if I like these bars in general, and then if I need to, I can maybe get some shorter stuff here. But I'm going to play with it a little bit. I'll let you guys know how it goes. If I remember to charge my GoPro, I'll try to get some video tomorrow at lunchtime. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate all the support. And ride safe out there.